Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This one's going to be packed full of settings and preferences that will serve as essentially tips and tricks that stay active after turning them on. We're going to lay the foundation for saving time and creating more accurate markups and measurements in Revu. Next, we'll go under the window menu, and here some different options. You can actually open a web browser in Bluebeam. So if you're looking up a product that's being called out, or maybe you just want to go to the Brighter Graphics website and see what training is available, you can open that up in a browser within Bluebeam. You can see all these wonderful 2-hour classes we have based on workflows, and contact those guys to set up your training. We can also go into presentation mode. So if I go under here, not with the web browser, but if I open up an actual document and I go to presentation mode, what it's going to do there is actually turn off all the tools around the perimeter and just show you the document, much like a PowerPoint presentation or things like that. And so you can project that up on your screen in that presentation view, page through your different pages of that PDF without all of your tools cluttering the screen. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.